President Obama pleaded today with a Congress unwilling to fix the immigration system long term to at least help fix the immediate crisis at the border. The president asked today for nearly $4 billion to deal with the surge of children from Central America crossing into the U.S. illegally, more than 50,000 of them since October. The biggest portion of the money would go for caring for those children while they're here, but the president also plans to speed up the process of sending them home. Major Garrett is at the White House tonight with details. Major?
Scott, this has become a political mess for President Obama, one he is trying to resolve by speeding up the deportation of thousands of unaccompanied children trying to find safe haven in America. The president asked Congress for emergency funding of $1.8 billion for housing, food, and health care for the tens of thousands of unaccompanied minors. He also wants $1.6 billion to build new detention facilities and for judges and lawyers to review each immigration case. Part of Mr. Obama's dilemma is tied to an anti-sex trafficking law President Bush signed near the end of his term. It guarantees children outside of Mexico and Canada an immigration hearing. The president now wants to accelerate that process and deport the children, many of whom had a dangerous journey from Central America.
The children who are fortunate enough to survive it will be taken care of while they go through the legal process, but in most cases that process will lead to them being sent back home.
Obama, escucha!
Immigration rights advocates have protested the president's deportation strategy. Gustavo Torres is executive director of Casa de Virginia and Casa de Maryland.
What I hear from the president is that they want to be a quicker deportation machine. And I think that is totally wrong. I think that we need to treat those victims because those kids are victims of violence and poverty. We need to treat them with compassion.
The president will meet with Texas Republican Governor Rick Perry in Dallas tomorrow to discuss the safe housing of immigrant children awaiting an immigration hearing. Scott, Governor Perry has accused the president of being soft on deportations and border security generally.
Major, thanks very much.